For number 6, this big division sign is basically the same problem as this. Divide, divide. So you're going to take this divided by this. And when we divide, you got to remember you change it to multiply, but flip the second one. So basically, this is what it looks like. 3x to the 5th, x minus 5, that's the top, times, we're going to flip the bottom one. Now, when I flip the bottom one, isn't 6x to the 3rd going to go on the bottom? Yeah. Does this factor 2 times x minus 10? Doesn't this have a 2 that comes out? I pull a 2 out of that. Now, before I do any, now it's actually a pretty simple problem. Once you flip it, make it look a little bit prettier, you flip the bottom one, make it a multiply, factor anything you can. Do you guys see these things canceling right here? Alright, now before I cancel anything else, let's just actually, 3 times 2 is not a big number. Do you understand this ends up being 3 times 2 is 6 x to the 5th over 6 x to the 3rd? Three times 2 is 6 x to the 5th, 6 x to the 3rd. Now what's this going to give you? What's 6 over 6? So doesn't that basically just cancel? And what's x to the 5th over x to the 3rd? Isn't that just x squared? Subtracted 2? We're done. Remember, when you have a fraction over a fraction, think of it this way and then change it to a multiply. It's not much more difficult, it just looks really creepy.